Good day, traders. Gakuna Trading. This is an introduction to the mentorship version of the ebook. You do not need me anymore. With this book, you do not need Gakuna. I would not expect anyone to hear an explanation from me because we were working with muscle memory, and muscle memory is a rinse and repeat process. Now, in this mentorship ebook, I have really broken down the process bit by bit, understanding pullbacks. Number one, understanding EMA patterns that I never knew about. When I read reading price charts bar by bar, my main focus was to make sure that I read that book and see how I can apply that to SB, because SB normally encourages traders to read certain books, and Al Brooks' book is one of the books he recommended many years ago. Do not trade against the moving average. A lot of you trade against the moving average. You may make money, but on the side of the trend, the sellers may win, the buyers may win. Buying and selling pullbacks is not a bad idea. You can make money off doing that. But there are patterns, and these patterns, 3 days of breakout templates. Templates are of types. We have a 3-day template. We have breakout templates. Day 1 breakout, day 2 breakout, day 3 breakouts. This breakout evolves to a bear channel. It may be a short-term channel. A first red day is a bear channel. An FGD is a bull channel. And major trend reversal setups with Al Brooks. Respecting the trend line. Pullbacks last specific number of bars depending on the time frame. Now, here is an MT5 execution example today. I just closed this trade. Now, this is not the first time I have swing trades. I have sent signals to the community USD-JPY where everyone were informed to hold USD-JPY, which will be displayed in this mentorship ebook, and why I did that. To hold it and swing for a sell through the Asian window. And we saw that market explode in the Asian window. There's a reason why, and I will be showing and displaying that in the mentorship version. It is no longer called an ebook. It is now a playbook. The pages have increased, materials have increased. This mentorship version also defines rules of trading. We are not trading blindly. We are following the rules of channels, micro trends, larger trends in a bull and in the bear. Understanding pullbacks, the M2S and the M2B. The M2S in a low 2 in a first red day setup. A second test of the EMA. Al Brooks is a signal for a sell. Stops must be far. Stop loss placement must be far. A lot of you get taken out of trades because of your stop losses. You are in the right direction, but your stop loss is far. It's near, sorry. You need to place far stops, distant stops like I do. Because of my stop loss placements, I tend to swing throughout the US session because the rules have been met. In the mentorship, the students understand these rules and are making money already. Congratulations, Alex. Congratulations, Paragon. Congratulations, Chris. Congratulations, Sibu. Congratulations, GK Dev. They are beginning to see these patterns. Trading is a pursuit of pleasure and not misery. When I started out 8 years ago, I started with round numbers. The opportunity I had, I utilized that opportunity. I have no idea of ICT. I am not a guru. I only read and apply. That is my goal. My goal is to read and apply. Read, respect the rules, apply them where need be. Lower low on the inside, the formula for pump and dump. That is not a good explanation for pullbacks. A pump is a pullback in a bear channel or in a bull channel. The pullback goes to test closing price and other levels indicated in the Bible. It is possible. Nothing is impossible. Now, if you look below, if you can see clearly, if you zoom in on your device, USD CAD FGD execution on MT5. It's a gap bar pattern, which Stacey never talks about, but Al Brooks talks about it. And because of that, I asked myself a question: how can I apply it? How can I apply it to my trading that will yield good results for me? I started reading Brooks from January, trying to see how I can help everyone, trying to see how I can put this together. You only have setups. What setup are you looking for? They repeat themselves every week. The only thing holding you back is your fear. Do not be afraid. When you have a 3-day setup, they are of types. 3 days of breakout are of types. It can be that simple. 3 higher closes is the same thing as 3 days of breakout or a 3-day setup. I do not care about 3 higher closes. I care about if I have a 3-day setup, there's no need sugarcoating it. It is important, but there's no need to sugarcoat it. But at the end of the day, what criteria needs to be met for execution? We saw today USD CAD and USD Swiss franc never met the rule for execution, and I abandoned it in a trash can. Behold, the mentorship version is here. The markets go with you. When it's done, it will be uploaded to WAP. Get it, read it. This is all of me. Like I said, there are people who come into this world to make things easy, and I believe God has chosen me for that assignment, to read from others, help people read and understand it and present it for them. There are people who don't have that time, but I have that time, and everybody must make money in trading. May the markets keep going with you 1% better every single day. The mentorship, if you want to be mentored by me, if you want to take trades like Alex trades, you want to take trades like the guys in the mentorship are now taking, even the guys in the membership, There's a difference between the membership and the coaching. The coaching, you get all of me. You get 100% Gakuna. I do not come and analyze an after chat. I don't analyze after chat. I am the move that happens. I am the move that happens. I don't come after and explain what happened. I am not that trader. I am the move that gave the first red D. I am the move that gave the FGD. I am that move. I don't explain already moved markets like other gurus out there do. Many markets go with you. Do well to like and share this video. Thank you for taking our time to watch this video. I really appreciate all of you who believe in me, who trust me, and who have entrusted me with that assignment to make trading as easy as it can be for you. May the good Lord continue to bless you and go with you and give you the wisdom, the knowledge, and understanding to be patient and track the best setups that would change your life forever. Thank you and God bless you.